Okay, in the previous lecture, we covered MRP types. You are 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, what we'll see is some more changes in material master. And for that, we'll go to SAP. SPRO Logistics General Material Master Basics Second. SPRO Logistics General Material Master. Basic settings, material types, define attributes of material types, and we have to see quantity and value updating. Value is not updated on non-valuated material. Let's see. Non-valuated material. Continue. Then we see quantity value updating. Okay, nothing is updated. Quantity, value, pipeline mandatory, pipeline allowed. It's not updated over. Okay. Okay, valuation area AA42. Over here, no value is updated. We go for material type. PERT. PERT is finished product. Quantity value updating. Position. AA42. AA42, we have quantity and value updating. Okay. Material types. We've seen non-valuated. Services material types, some are valuated, some and quantity is not updated. Okay. Service. Continue. Quantity value update. And value can be updated for this. AA42. Value can be updated. Save. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. Now material types, pipeline material for calculation of overheads, oil and gas. This is for oil and gas industry to calculate the overheads. Okay. Material master, let's go and check configuring material master, define structure of screens. Okay. Configuring the material master data screen for each screen sequence. Okay, standard industry sequence click on data screens and we'll see what screens we have. We've already seen when we are creating material master and we have these screens over there. And basic data subscreens. And in subscreens, we have these many fields. Okay. And these fields are basically, these are the fields. Okay. These are fields that are available when we are making material master. Okay. The key code is this one. So we can look at various subscreens as well. Okay. Sales organization data subscreens, view subscreen, view subscreen, description. This is the screen. Okay. And if we want to see the whole data screen, then of course we have description, we have taxation, we have other fields, grouping of items and other fields. So that's how you can create and modify these fields. Okay. Okay. Now we can also make some fields mandatory. Assign screen sequence to user material type transaction industry in industry sector. Transaction sequence. Okay, in MM01, this is the uh, 01. What is 01? This is industry standard industry sequence, and where it will be used in this transaction MM01. Okay, user screen reference. This is basically for users. We can assign them, but we are not going to actually assign them. Material type screen reference. Material type for ROH, we have ROH. For PERT, we have PERT, industry sector screen reference. Usually we take up mechanical engineering. Where is that? Mechanical engineering. M is basically the legend for uh, mechanical engineering. Okay. Okay. Now, configuring material master, define number range for each material type. Basic settings, and in basic settings, maintain material type define attributes, material material groups, number ranges for each material type. Intervals, these intervals will be used for creating number ranges for materials that we produce. Now, next is bills of material form. And what is bills of material? It is a complete structured list of components, contains description of each component. Now, if you are making a motorcycle, it will need two parts, two areas. It is built, it is built using powertrain and chassis, and these two these two phases need components like motor, gear, exhaust, front wheel, rail wheel, and so on. BOM creates relationship between assembly and its direct components. Now, for example, if we are producing a pen, what we'll need, if we want to produce one piece, there will be refill, there will be a stem, and this is the product code that we have given. There will be a cap, there will be a bottom cap, and there will be a bolt. So this is the list of components to make one. So What are the categories in BOM? Now, these are six various categories in BOM: material, sales order, standard, document, strategy, equipment, functional, location, BOM. The prerequisite for a BOM is that we have material master, plus we should have a plant where it is defined. Then we can make a BOM. BOMs deal with data that is relevant for production. From this comes the area of validity of the plant. The area of validity, which is the plant, it is a place of work where all necessary preparations for work are made. Like material planning will be done at plant level. Then we create routings also. In order to create a BOM, there must be a valid material master in the same plant. Many checks also take place when creating items. If you create material components, then plant data must exist for the materials. Okay. So that was it for today.